Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 24th, sorry about that, 2018, and I want to show you here, I peeked in at my cucumber seedlings today, and they are starting to sprout. So what I'm actually going to do is the ones that are sprouting, I'm going to be taking them out of this enclosed container, and I'm going to be putting them right under the lights. And I'm going to be giving them another dose of the neem oil solution. And it's neem oil, 1 teaspoon of the neem oil concentrate to 1 liter of warm water. Mix it up really good, and then I just give the plants a little bit of it because I want to give them just a second dose of it just to make sure. And then you can kind of give them maybe a dose every other week of that neem oil solution, and I'll put a link down below for the neem oil that I use, and you can check that out if you want to. So I just wanted to give you this update. I'm really excited that these came up. I didn't get to plant the other ones yet. We had some really nice days outside. I was trying to get stuff done out there that I couldn't do because of when it was snowing and it's so cold out. So I should be able to get those done today because it's raining. So if you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.